Alright, howdy folks. So I forgot to film the beginning, but they just tore out the old door. I got a head start on them. I pulled most of the hinge screws out and everything. Got the old door right here. I was very worried about this, people breaking in. But we got the boys from Gold Shield Construction out here. Taking over my driveway. You guys are wasting no time. Alright, so they're getting ready to bring the new door in. We went and picked this door out about a month ago. Filming adds an extra stress to the job for these guys. We're easy customers. We're not like regular yuppies around here.
I'm gonna re-grip it. Go ahead. Okay. We are in the tree. Our little plug thing was holding it with the little nails that hold it. A couple screws to hold the door shut.
Yeah, we're just dry fitting it. See how we go.
It's a good looking door right there. Oh, nice.
Mike, get off!
Boy, what a difference already.
Love it.
All right, it's coming along nice. Looking good. Looks real nice. Put the old trim back on, just needs some paint. So they're doing this job prior to doing the kitchen. So this door has been elevated 1/2 inch higher because of the new floor going in, and to alleviate enough space for like a floor mat or something like that. Looks good. Looks really good. this is what it looks like from the outside. Looks really good. All right. Nice tight fit. Perfect gapping. Trim, they put the old trim back on. It actually looks really nice. I'll get that painted. I'll get this door painted. Everything looks great. What a good job.